today we're gonna go camping for 3 days. So yeah, I'm excited.
Have his bar up.
Time to go. Time to go.
Yeah.
Time to go. Time to go. Time to go. Okay.
Hi. Hello.
What's up? Good to see you. Hello. You're so pretty.
The birds.
Hey, pretty. What's up? Look at you. Look at you. Yo. What the? Air Jack? Air Yak? Welcome to the Stinky Airlines. We are ready for liftoff. 3, 2. That was early liftoff. Welcome to the Stinky Yak Airlines. We are ready for takeoff. 3, 2, 1. We are lifting off.
Loves it.
Welcome back to the Stinky Airlines. Version 2. We are preparing for takeoff. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mission go.
Yeah, don't do that. Now we gotta go find it.
Do you find it?
Okay, you're too close.
Yo, who made you Robin freaking Hood?
Right
What?
here. Go right here. And then you're right in front of it.
You're right in front of
No,
it.
go right here, babe.
But I need to get content,
Oh
Bubs.
my gosh. Is that good enough right there?
Like, I guess.
Go.
Yo, it went backwards. What does that mean? That means I'm a pro archer. I curve my bullets.
Sure.
I'm like, who curves bullets? Bruce Willis?
I thought it was Neo.
Neo does not curve bullets.
Oh, he what's it called?
Neo
Dodges
sees through
them.
the illusion of of the reality.
He dodges bullets.
Yeah, Neo's enlightened. Oh!
Was that enough content for you? You need more?
You just shot at me getting it in. So I can show my viewers
Well,
that I'm a legit.
You shouldn't getting it.
No! You just knock it like a ding dong. Yo! Bruh. Alright, this is the one, bid. I shit you not.
What?
This, no, it's not.
I didn't put enough cold water in there.
This is the one, bid. This is the one, I'm telling you. You know you doubted me before. You won't make that same mistake again after this shot.
If you get this one, we'll have babies.
Oh, fuck yeah. Babies. Oh! It's stuck in it.
Guess we're having babies.
Ooh, babies! Let's get the babies going. Baby time.
Probably like people stop watching the peep show. The zombies talk now.
What?
So you're not Greek. You're Turkish.
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 Why is that so fucking... I don't know.
Go to bed. It's 10:40. What are you doing?
I mean, there is 18-karat white gold plated
No. Here you
stud
go.
earring, but it's one for $15.
Yeah, no. This is.
You want my fingers?
I just.
You want the fingers?
Which is fine, because $15 a person, and then if the necklace is $45 for 6, and then maybe I'll buy one robe on Shein, and when it comes, I'll see how it feels like. And if I look, it's $15.
Folds
out to you're so strong. Oh my gosh.
Oh, we should
You're
trim
so
that up.
strong.
Oh, okay.
Look at this workout, this
It
back
doesn't matter
workout.
to us,
Nice,
by
good
the way.
pulls. Keep it up, good pulls. Oh wow,
Well,
good
do you guys want
pulls.
your own shed, or do you guys want all the in one
Oh,
space?
you're so
Privacy.
strong.
We
Oh,
don't,
we're
we
so
don't
strong.
necessarily need it, to be honest. Babe? You want to have your own space, or do you want to sleep in here?
Oh, blah, 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 blah. Oh, blah, 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 blah.
What do you think of these?
I'm not gonna kill you, Nico. Other guy. Oh, wow. That safety's so nice. How should I leave it? Safety on, like this?
Oh, we can start.
You can just collapse the bolt.
So, this is like, you know, like the guys is a big chunk of it, right? And then the clothes and then
Very nice.
would some of the
Such a beautiful machine.
to some of his guests.
Too bad it's used for killing things.
Yeah.
His parents have already said that they're gonna get an Airbnb.